Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm happy because you guys, like, I appreciate you all so much. I love you guys so much, and for all the support and everything. We've finally made it to 200 subscribers, and I'm pretty sure we're not just going to stay at that number. We're going to keep increasing. I'm going to be sharing more healthy recipes and more exercises. Yes guys, as I was saying, we got more healthy recipes coming soon. This Sunday I'm going to be uploading an Indonesian noodles recipe, and the rest coming months we're going to be getting back into the gym and doing some more exercises, especially some HIIT for weight loss, for getting rid of back fat and stuff like that. But we really appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. So please feel free to like, share, subscribe. You could promote yourself on this channel. I don't mind. Just sub for sub, like each other, subscribe to each other video on this video. Okay guys, I'll see you soon. Bye.